I'm sure you have seen buy one get one offers when shopping online. It's one of the best ways to boost sales, clear inventory, and keep customers coming back for more. And you can easily set up these offers for your WooCommerce store using the WowRevenue plugin. It is the ultimate product bundles plugin that helps you create high-converting buy X get Y offers. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, let's go to our WordPress dashboard and set up the WowRevenue plugin. Simply search for WowRevenue. Install and activate it just like any other plugin. Once it's active, navigate to the WowRevenue dashboard. Here you can see a clean, intuitive interface to create buy X get Y offers. Now click on Create Campaign. You'll see a list of available campaigns. Choose Buy X Get Y from here. You'll land on the campaign creation page. First, choose the target page. Where do you want to show the buy one get one offer? You can show the deals on the product page, cart, checkout, or thank you page. For now, I'm setting this for the product page. Next, you can show this buy one get one offer as a pop-up, a floating element, or an in-page element. For example, if you choose the pop-up option, customers can easily notice your offer. Now we need to set up product X and product Y. Under the trigger product X, simply search for the product name and set it as the X product. This is the product customers must buy to enjoy the offer. After that, under the product to offer section, search for the product you want to offer for free. Make sure to select the discount type as free from the drop-down. Now your customers will get a free product when they purchase the product. We are almost done setting up our buy one get one offer. But let's do some more customization. Under campaign headline, write a catchy line that reflects the offer. Something like, buy any gaming console to get a free headphone. Want to make it even more engaging? Turn on conversion features like a countdown timer. This helps you create urgency among the customers, so they purchase early. Another way to grab attention is enabling the animated Add to Cart button. It gives a cool look to the button and encourages customers to take action. Next, you can schedule the buy one get one offer, perfect for seasonal promotions or flash sales. Simply choose the start date and end date for the offer, and it will automatically go live and stop at the set time. And don't forget the design. WowRevenue lets you tweak fonts, colors, and spacing with a live preview, so your offer looks great before publishing. Okay, let's test it on our live store. As you can see, for our selected gaming item, we're seeing a buy one get one deal. It's fast, seamless, and super effective. And that's how easy it is to set up a buy one get one free deal in WooCommerce with WowRevenue. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more WooCommerce tips. Got questions? Drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next one.